Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having login problems with your Smartbird Feeder camera app, it can prevent you from viewing live video, receiving notifications, or accessing your saved recordings. You might see an incorrect password message, the app may keep loading without signing in, or your account may suddenly log out after an update. In many situations, the camera isn't the problem at all. The issue is often related to account credentials, internet connectivity, an outdated app, or temporary server communication. Before creating a new account or resetting your camera, there are several simple checks that are worth trying. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps that can help you sign back into your Smartbird Feeder camera app. 1. Verify your email address and password are entered correctly. 2. Check that your phone has a stable internet connection. 3. Update the Feeder app to the latest available version. 4. Use the forgot password option if you can't sign in. 5. Restart your phone and reopen the app. 6. Log in again and confirm the camera appears in your account.